So, 15 essential digital marketing terms that every freelancer needs to have locked in. With no specific order, let's go! Number 1, CTA, or call to action. Every piece of marketing needs a call to action. It's the instruction you give to your audience telling them exactly what to do next. Click here, sign up now, book a free call, download the guide, add to cart, write in the comments. Without a clear CTA, people tend just to consume your content and leave. And you might think, but my content is amazing. And still, if you don't tell people what to do after seeing it, you are missing opportunities. Number 2, SEO, or search engine optimization. It's the practice of optimizing a website or social media so that it ranks higher on search engines, meaning trying to incorporate in your content words and phrases that people are searching for or could be related to what they search. Just creating beautiful content is not enough if people are not looking for it, or at least not in the way you transmit it. Everyone wants to show up on the first page of Google or the first lines of TikTok. Number 3, conversion rate. The conversion rate is the percentage of people who actually complete that desired action you indicated as a CTA, compared to the total number of people who visited or interacted with it. So, if 100 people visit a landing page and 5 of them sign up, that's a 5% conversion rate. This metric is massive because it tells you and your client how well a campaign is actually performing. Clients love seeing this number go up. And if you can consistently improve conversion rates, you become the freelancer everyone wants to hire. By the way, we created this list in the Economy Garage, but feel free to let us know in the comments which marketing terms you think are missing or important to know. Alright, let's go back to the glossary. Number 4, PPC, which stands for pay per click. So PPC is a model of online advertising where the advertiser pays a fee every single time someone clicks on their ad. You see these on Google, on Facebook, on Instagram, on Amazon, basically everywhere. The business isn't paying you just for the ad to show up. They're paying when someone actually interacts with it by clicking. So if you're running PPC campaigns for a client, your job is to make those clicks count. A click from someone ready to buy is worth way more than a random click from someone who has zero interest. Keep that in mind. Number 5, CTR, or click-through rate. Here's another ratio you need to understand. Click-through rate measures how many people who saw your thing actually clicked on it. If your ad was shown to 1,000 people and 50 of them clicked, your CTR is 5%. This is a crucial indicator of how compelling your ad copy, your headlines, or your email subject lines are. A low CTR usually means your message is not connecting with people. Number 6, impressions. This one is simple. Impressions are the total number of times your content or ad is displayed on someone's screen. They might not even notice it. But if it showed up, that counts as one impression. Like a billboard on the highway. Every car that drives past it is an impression. This metric needs to be analyzed with others like CTR to get useful information. Number 7, ROI, or return on investment. This is the big one that every client cares about. ROI measures how much profit you made compared to how much you spent. If a client spends $1,000 on ads and makes $3,000 in sales from those ads, their ROI is positive. It's a simple concept, but it drives every decision in marketing. Number 8, CPM, or cost per thousand impressions, or cost per mil. CPM measures the cost of 1,000 ad impressions on a web page or social network. It gives an idea to people paying for a price range, and the one providing the website or social media what they can get if they accept ads. Number 9. UGC, or user-generated content. UGC refers to any form of content, such as text, videos, images, reviews, that has been posted by users on online platforms. Now, the most common form at the moment is videos of people showing and using products on social media. We have a video talking about the basics of UGC here in the channel. Number 10. CRM, or Customer Relationship Management. These are platforms where people doing digital marketing can use an absurd number of tools to connect, track, and analyze what they're doing. Sales funnels, emails campaigns, social media campaigns, customer service, and more. There are courses for these tools because they can really do a lot. Number 11. A/B testing, or also called split testing. This is the process of creating two slightly different versions of something, like a headline, an email subject, a thumbnail for your videos, and running them both simultaneously to see which one performs better. If A did better, then you gather information about what works. If both A and B did similarly, you have to make some decisions. Number 12. Bounce rate. When someone visits a website and leaves immediately without clicking anything or exploring further, that's a bounce. The bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who do this. A high bounce rate usually signals that something is off. Maybe the page loads too slowly, the content doesn't match what the visitor expected, or their design is confusing. If people are leaving as fast as they're arriving, something needs to change. Number 13. Lead. In the context of digital marketing, a lead is a potential customer who has shown interest in what your client offered and has provided some form of contact information. Maybe they sign up for an email list, fill out a form, or requested a quote. When someone says lead generation, they're talking about the process of attracting and capturing these potential customers. If you can deliver leads, you're worth your weight in gold as Freelancer. Number 14. KPI, or Key Performance Indicator. These are metrics, values you can measure and determine the impact of the actions and strategy you formulate. You get to decide which ones to use in your strategy. Some commons you know already: CTR, ROI, BPM. And finally, number 15, engagement rate. This measures the level of interaction that a piece of content receives relative to the number of people who saw it. Likes, comments, shares, saves, clicks. All those count as engagement. A high engagement rate means people are actually stopping and interacting with it. For social media freelancers especially, this is one of the most important metrics to track, because platforms reward content that generates engagement by showing it to even more people. Alright, there you have it. 15 essential digital marketing terms that every freelancer should know. Gladly, you can come to this video if you forget any. If this was helpful, drop a comment telling me which term was new to you, and subscribe to Geekonomy Garage for more freelance content. I'll see you in the next one. GG's!